Hello, fellow crafters. So today I'm going to be talking about the best storage furniture, at least in my opinion, for your craft room. So I just moved recently, and the two rooms that were most important for me to get right and that I spent the most time working on were my bedroom and my craft room, because those are the two places that I spent most of my time. So I still have some unpacking to do, but I have all of the furniture in place in my new craft room. I'm so excited with how it came out, and I got a lot of really good furniture and just items, and I want to share it with you guys. So yeah, if you're interested, if you're a crafter or you just need some more space, then keep on watching. So the first thing that I think is very important when you are doing a craft room is to make it something that makes you happy, which is why I have my Hello Kitty here. I have, I have Love Yourself. I got Marilyn up there. So yeah, let's start talking about some furniture. Okay, so this is a pegboard. It is handy, but it's not one of my favorite items. I just don't feel like I can store enough things, or things will keep falling, but it does still help, and it gives me access, to things that I need very easily. So, I do just want to talk about that. So, then probably the staple to my craft room are the Ikea, excuse my mess, the Ikea Alex drawers. Now, so I was being cheap, and I bought some of the Alex drawers that aren't really the Alex drawers from Amazon, such as this one right here. These two right here are not Alex drawers. And as you can see, and this even happened before the move, but especially with moving, it made it even worse. But the Alex drawers, like this one, I have moved 3 times with it, and it still works beautifully. So if you are going to get these types of drawers, which I highly recommend, because the drawers are just the perfect depth for smaller items. Again, I really suggest that you go and spend the extra money and get the Alex drawers, because the quality is just better and they last so much longer. So that is probably the number one, most important piece of furniture that I have in my craft room. So I did have just a regular vanity where I would, for my workstation that I would work on top of, but I ended up getting the, 2 Alex drawers with this. I already had this tabletop for my vanity. I ended up buying a bigger size for my actual vanity, and then used this one for in here. And the vanity I had before, I had like 2 small little drawers on the side, and that was it. But now I have all this wonderful storage that I, haven't even used yet. I still have things to unpack, but if I hadn't gotten these, I wouldn't have that extra storage. Okay. Next, all right, I'm gonna talk about this bad boy right here, and I love that it's on wheels too. Oh. No, hold on, let me unplug my Cricut before it falls on the ground. So this is specifically designed for a Cricut, a heat press, and a vinyl. I was kind of hesitant about getting this at first because I just had my Cricut on top of one of these dressers, and I had this in a closet, but this room is actually like an office, so there is no closet. So it really is perfect. I have my Cricut, my heat press, and now I put the vinyl that I use the most often here. And it also has little hooks on the side, and that is where I put my cutting mats. So I am really happy with this purchase. Okay, next we're going to talk about utilizing your wall space. That is so important for me. I am big on using the walls. So I had these acrylic shells already, which are great for, I use them for my fragrance oils and glitters. And then I also just got, which is amazing, this is actually a picture wedge from Ikea. It's only like $20. And look how many glitters it's holding. And it's not even full yet. So here, let me get a close up view so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. I would have needed like 4 of these at least to fit that many glitters on it. So the next piece of furniture, I don't know, I have mixed feelings about it. And that is just this little kind of printer work area. I liked it because it was pink. And I have 2 printers because one is a sublimation printer and then I have a regular printer. And you know, it has a couple drawers at the bottom. I just feel like if it's taking up this much space, I could have got another Alex drawer and then had even more storage. But I have it, so I am going to use it. And this little tabletop here, you can adjust it up or down, and then it also, you can move this like at an angle. Oh, if you want to put your computer on it, or just have it as a little work desk. It also, you can move it. So yeah, I mean, it's not bad. Okay, the next thing, my favorite new piece of furniture. The Ikea Kallax shelf organizer. I forget like the full name of it. Here, let me do it that way so you can see. Oh, I love this. So it comes with everything open like this one, and then you can add on the doors or the drawers, or I added this on. This is perfect for vinyl, scrapbook paper. It's the perfect size, 12 by 12. And I got these cubes and I just think it looks so cute. It makes me so happy looking at this. I also changed the knobs on the doors and got little hearts. I did run out of them, so I put some crystal ones here. I need to get some more, but this fits so much stuff. It's not even funny. So here's where I keep some of my books I make book stacks with. Let me show you a book stack. Here's one. And I see now I still have more room. There's a book stack. And these drawers are great. I have put some empty containers in there for my body butters and my scrubs. And then I put some of my actual body butters and scrubs in there. I still got that one to fill up. That's my tumbler press. But you can choose, they have multiple different sizes. You can get, you know, 2x4, 3x4, 4x4. I am in love with this. And, you know, the top is really great to just make look cute and to decorate with. So yes, I highly, highly recommend this. So of course, what kind of crafter would I be if I didn't have a cart, especially a pink one? It's full of this kind of like random junk right now. Ooh. But it's, you know, great because it's on wheels. It holds a lot of things, and it's also, you know, you can easily put it away in a corner like how I just had it. So before I got the Cricut organizer, the way I was storing my vinyl is right here. Ooh. This vinyl holder for the back of the door. But I was actually running out of room, so you know, I just use this now for vinyls that I don't use as often, but it's a great way to kind of keep them out of the way, but you can still see all the different kinds of vinyl that you do have. Okay, next is this pantry cabinet that I got from Amazon. So I really liked it because on the side it has these little shelves, which I thought would be perfect for fragrance oils or glitter, and it really is. So it has it on each side. I screwed up the top one. I would have to take the whole thing apart to fix it. I'm like, I'm not doing that. And then inside you have all these shelves, and you can really just fit a bunch of stuff in here. The only thing is, I guess because I have so many fragrance oils on the door, is it does kind of move when I open and close the doors, and I can't attach it to the wall because there's this little ledge and it won't let me push it all the way to the wall. But other than that, I do think it was a really good investment. And not to mention, all right, let's talk about some of these. Organizers right here. So I really like these ones. These ones are from the Home Edit. I got them from Walmart. I like them because I can just keep my soap in them and then take them to craft fairs, and you have this little opening right here, so there's easy access, you know, to whatever's inside, and they are stackable. Then I also got a set of, I forget how many, but there was different sizes. Like this was one size, this was one size from Amazon, which, you know, are a great size for my soaps. My little picture taking area. So if I make a body butter or a soap, I have this little acrylic riser here, and I set it on there and then take a picture. And you can, you know, have any type of background that you want. If I'm taking a picture of a men's soap, for instance, and I don't want roses in the background, I just got a piece of poster board or foam board or whatever and put this contact paper on the back. So then that way I can switch my backgrounds out. Okay, so those are, in my opinion, the best and my favorite pieces of furniture to help organize and store all your craft essentials. So I hope this was helpful. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys later.